So I want to thank the folks at Coconut Growers Association for making it possible. Try these wonderfully flavored infused coconut oils, guys. Chili, garlic, lemon. Today, you're in luck because we get 2 bites of the coconut. I'm doing 2 recipes. The guys enjoyed what was the wonderfully chili infused bacon roasted potatoes, and now I'm kind of doing a little dessert, a little muffin with some nice lemon coconut goodness. Real simple. Sometimes people think muffins and think baking and think it's difficult. Get this recipe on copperjoecaribbean.com. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it's so warm and comforting. All I'm doing here is pulling together some dry ingredients and some wet ingredients, mixing it into a batter in the oven, in my muffin tin, and that's it. Follow me, simple. So first thing is that I have some milk, and to the milk, I am adding some vinegar. It's really simple. So, vinegar, plain old white vinegar. The reason for that, the truth is that I don't have a clue. The recipe said so, my wife, the culinary director said that, and I just added it. It causes a curdle and causes milk to activate something in the baking soda or the bacon. I don't have a clue. You don't need to have a clue. All you need to know to do is to follow the recipe and you can't go wrong. But that's what I've been doing to make these fantastic muffins over the years. So it kind of curdles the milk when you get that vinegar in there, and it is very important. If you don't do that, you spoil your muffins. Milk curdling. Now I'm adding just some regular oats. I'm going to leave that there just to allow the oats to do its thing and the milk. Now it's pulling together some of these dry ingredients. Cup of flour, baking soda, cup of sugar, salt. Don't laugh because it's very tasty. It's very simple ingredients, simple measurements, and you mix. Get that incorporated. By the time you're doing that, your oats and all this lovely vinegar and milk is coming together, and now I'm adding 1 egg to this. And my star ingredient. So this is lemon coconut muffins. Lemon infused coconut oil. I want, I would say, about a 1/4 cup. That's my muffin telling me he's ready. I'll do it shortly. Kind of mix all the wet ingredients together here. Muffins or any type of butter is adding wet to dry. I need a spatula. Where's my spatula? So, adding the wet to the dry and folding. One piece of advice, when you fold, you don't mix heavily because you want to over mix. There's something about over mixing with these batters. They don't like it. They don't like too much touching up. So from the time it comes together, don't mix it like you mixed up. Get out. Coming in September. Once it comes together like that, guys, I'm adding some raisins. Just for good measure. Whatever dried fruit you have. Then I have some dried coconut here. You can use fresh coconuts if you feel into like grate coconuts and that kind of thing. I used to grate these coconuts as a boy. My mother insisted that the only way she made me call I have to grate the coconut squeeze. I'm not doing this, grated this again. They have coconut selling in this one, you know. I cook and I work in the kitchen with my most important ally, and I'm smelling that this is going to be good because all the lemony goodness from the oils, as I mix, it's coming through. I'm also getting that coconut flavor. So lemon, coconut, that coconut just hit the butter. It started to just infuse the butter. Simple like that. All I need to do now is get a spoon, spatula, muffin tin grease, and just about, I would say, 2/3. So you're not filling it to capacity, just about 2/3, because what's going to happen here is that these muffins will rise in the oven. So you don't want to overfill. So just allow me to fill these and get it into the oven. Baked in the oven, 375 degrees, by I would say 25 minutes, 20-25 minutes. Lemon coconut muffins coming right up. Richard, Leslie, Kevon, Keshala, come on down! The muffins are ready, and guys, these muffins smell so fantastic. I can't wait for these guys to dig in. Yeah, Kevon, chill.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good. No, it's all good.
Lemon coconut goodness, guys. Thanking the folks at Coconut Growers Association for making it possible. We will see you back here next week, same time, same place, when we share a cup with a whole different bunch of people and roll out some recipes. Get them on cupofjoecaribbean.com. We'll see you back here next week.
Yeah,
thank you, guys.
Yeah, no juice.
You want juice? Yeah, bring juice, someone.
They made me nice spice.
It's right there.
And the old Sunday.
I don't like raisins, but I like it.
Serious? Yeah. Reason that to get that much done.
That's fine.
I'm getting that one.
You getting that money?